Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
The 77 temperature, plenty of sunshine out there. Dew point value coming in at 62. Still pretty comfortable dew points. The temperature and dew point close enough together this morning that we did have a little bit of fog around, and in some places it was kind of thick. We had reports of quarter-mile visibility down near Punta Gorda. But other than that, I think most of us escaped without too much of a problem in the morning commute with any kind of thick fog around. East wind comes in at about 9 right now. That easterly wind kind of around an area of high pressure just to our north that again is a major driver of our weather for today. Temperatures across the entire peninsula are generally solidly in the 70s, with only a few 60s in the northern tier. 70 in Gainesville, 76 Daytona, Orlando at 77, Fort Myers at 79. We do have some 80s on the board from about Naples southward, and I think we'll hit the 80-degree mark in most locations today. Arcadia comes in at 80, Wauchula at 78 right now, Parrish at 78, Bradenton 78. Venice comes in at 79, and we do have Northport and Punta Gorda both coming in at 80 degrees currently. Not much in the way of any rainfall, despite the fact that we have some of that cloud cover out there right now. That cloud cover is really not rain-producing cloud. Way too thin a layer. And as we head into the afternoon, I don't think we're going to see much in the way of rainfall. For the next couple of days, I don't think we're going to see much in the way of rainfall. Maybe a few scattered showers over on the other coast might try to make it inland, but they tend to just kind of fall apart before ever making it across the peninsula. Same, very similar situation to what we had last week with a few scattered showers over on the other coast thanks to that easterly to northeasterly wind. But all that about to change because of a line of low pressure that's moving right now through parts of the midsection of the country. It's triggering off some rain showers, transitioning to snow showers in the northern part of the country. And then in the southern part of the country, we've got the possibility of some thunderstorm activity associated with that front. It's all about a cold front kind of wrapping up around an area of low pressure. It's advancing toward us, and back behind it, there's some cold air. The colder air kind of wrapping down out of Canada, dropping down out of Canada, producing some snow showers possibly in parts of the Dakotas later on today. And then as this front approaches, a line of showers developing in advance of it. Now, as that line gets closer to us, the chance for any kind of severe weather really lessens markedly, and even a thunderstorm is pretty hard to anticipate with that line. But Friday may be an isolated thunderstorm, but otherwise I don't think we're going to see a lot in the way of rainfall from this one. Warm temperatures start off our week. Obviously today we'll probably hit 90, or excuse me, not 90, that'd be pretty remarkable, 81 or so, and I think tomorrow kind of close to that. But the colder air is on the way, and by Wednesday I think we'll start to cloud up. That's going to reduce our temperatures a little bit right there. And then as we head into Wednesday night and Thursday, our winds are going to shift back around to the northwest, and that's really going to draw down some significantly cooler air. So enjoy this next couple of days because we're looking at fairly rain-free skies. But then as we head into the weekend, that's when things really change. East wind comes in at about 5 to 10, light chop 2-foot seas. I think probably the rainiest day of the week is going to be Friday. On that day, we put in about a 40% chance of showers, but it's going to be a cold rain. Temperatures will drop into the mid-60s, and that really holds true through the weekend as well, even though we get a little more sunshine. And remember, that means most of the day will be spent in the 50s.